Hello friends, welcome back to Joe Microsphere. In today's video, I want to take you guys through how you can upload any image into ArcGIS Pro and then clip to your study area. So it's very simple to upload image and clip to study area, but most of us find it difficult to do that. So let's quickly get into it. So first of all, to clip any image or anything to your study area, the first thing that you need to get is your study area boundary. So always you need to get your area of interest boundary first before you upload your image, and then you clip that image into your study area boundary. So let's add our data, and before that I'm going to show you the tool that you can use to add data. So here we have add data. Here you go to map, and then you can see we have add data here. If you click on here, it will take you to your folders or where you have saved your folder, and then all your shapefiles here you can choose your shapefile or your image where you have saved it. And then the second one is if you go to view and then you click on catalog here, the catalog pane will open here. Then if you right click here and then you go to add folder, here you can add the folder that contain your image. So let's say this folder contain my image. I'll just click on it and then click on OK. So after OK, you click on this drop down here, which you are going to see your image there. So this is how you load the image. If you have this first step and the second step, so any of them which is convenient for you, you use it. So here we are going to add our image. So here we are just adding a satellite image to do our clipping and see how it will look like. So here we are just so you click here and then you open. So we have a lot of bands here. So here we are just selecting any of them to do our clipping. So you click on it and then you drag it to your content here, which you are going to see your image. Okay, so this is my image. As you can see here, I have my raster image here. Okay, so my raster image is loading, so just wait. So whilst we are waiting, let's upload our study area map that we are going to use here. So here I'm going to use the district shape, and then I will extract my study area from it. So here I'm going to upload our okay, so this is the study area boundary, but here I'm interested in one. So you can see I'll just go to my map, and then here you can see we have select by rectangle here. So here I'm going to select one shapefile from the whole shapefile, and then we use that as our study area boundary. So you click on the study area that you are interested. You can see how it has been selected. So you right click here. Here we have two steps to save this one. So if you want to save it permanently and then use it later, you go to data and then you go to export future, and then you save it to where you want to save it. So anytime that you are working with the same area, you can go and then look for it. But if you want to create it temporary and then use it for maybe one analysis, and then you can go to selection here, and then you scroll to make layer from selected feature. So you click on make layer from selected feature. You can see another layer has been created. So if I uncheck this one, it will be left with only my boundary here, as you can see here. So here what we are going to do next is we are going to clip this boundary into our satellite image to remove only the part that cover our study area here. So here what we are going to do is I'm going to click here and then make our map hollow. So after hollow, then we clip our image to our study area, and then get our results here. Okay, so as you can see, I have remove the color from our map. So now you can see only the boundary. So what we are going to do next is we are going to our view here, and then go to our geo processing here, and then choose clip. So on our clip feature, you can see we have a lot of clip feature here. We have clip, that is the analysis tool, clip geoanalytic tool, data management tool, and then the others. So here, if you are using a raster data and then you want to clip a raster data to a steady area, you go for clip raster. And then if you are using any image that you are clipping to a steady area, then you go for your analysis tool here. So let's go for our clip feature, that's our data management tool. Okay, all right, so we have our clip feature, that is our data management tool. So input feature is going to be our satellite image, and then the output is going to be our steady area boundary here. Then you check for use input feature for clipping geometry, and then maintain clipping extent. So after then you click on OK or run. Alright, so here we are going to get image of the satellite that only cover our steady area. So as you can see, let me zoom this one to layer. Alright, so here you can see we uploaded a whole satellite image. By now we have cut our portion from the whole satellite image that we uploaded. So here you can see this is the only portion of the satellite image that cover our steady area, and then here is what we are interested in. And then here too, if you want to change the color, you click on the color palette here, and then you go to your symbology, or you right click on the image and then you go to your symbology. And then here, if you want to change the color of the image, you can change it here. And then we have the primary symbology here, that one too, if you want to change there, you can change it there. So here I want us to visualize the type of the color that we have, so that we can visualize it in colored form and then see how it will look like. So let's say we are choosing this color to see. So here we are going to see how our image is going to look like. So this is our image here. So this is the simplest way that you can load your data and then clip to your steady area boundary. So thank you very much for your attention. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.